Optimization. Optimization is used for problems where we need to find the maximum and minimum of a function. 3 tests we can do for this are the sign test, the second derivative test, and the graphical test. To solve for optimization, first draw a diagram, then create two equations. Rearrange these equations to solve for one variable. Plug in the variable of the first equation into the second equation. Simplify this, and then find the first derivative and solve for x. Create a sign diagram using x as the set point, and then plug in these solved variables into the first equation to solve for the other variables. For the first problem, find two positive numbers such that their product equals 20 and the sum of the first plus the second squared is minimum. And I've done the first equations for you. X times y is 20, which they give us here as the product. And then you simplify this for one variable. So x equals 20 divided by y. The second equation is x plus y squared equals minimum. And I plugged in the variable from the first equation into this one. So 2 divided by y equals plus y squared equals minimum. Now we just solve for this. So 2 divided by y plus y squared equals min. So that's equal to 20 y negative 1 y squared equals min. Derivative of this is negative 20 y plus y squared equals 2y min. Simplify this to find that negative 20 times y negative 1 plus 2 equals min. So y here can equal 0 from here, and then in here do 2 equals 20 y negative 1. Divide it by 20, so 1 over 10 equals 1 over y. So y equals 10. If you plug this into the first equation, that was x times y equals 20, you'll find that this number doesn't work. So you cross that out, and it has to be this one. Now you need to find the sign test, 10, and you plug it into this equation. So you find 20 divided by 5 is 4, plus 100 is a positive number. But 20 divided by is a negative number. Now you also need to find what x is, because you found y. So 10 times x equals 20. Divided by 10, x equals 2. Our second equation says the fencing, so it gives us a diagram. The fencing uses 200 feet of wood. The area of the plot of land is max. What is the max area? So I've done the equation for you that it's given us. 4x plus y equals 200, and x times y is max. So I've simplified this equation to y equals 200 minus 4x. So now we can see that x times 200 minus 4x equals max. And the derivative, and then you simplify this. So 4x squared equals max. Now find the derivative of this, which is equal to 200 minus 8x equals max. And then you can see that 200 equals 8x, and that means x is equal to 25. Find the sign diagram for this. 25, and I used points 10 and 30. And I plugged them into this equation, this one. And I found that using 10 makes it positive and using 30 makes it negative. Now you need to solve for y. So it's a 4x plus y equal 200. 4 times x is 100 plus y equals 200. So y, therefore, equals 100. But the equation asks for the max area, so you have to multiply these to find the area. 100 plus times 25 equals 2,500. So that's the answer.